Good afternoon, everyone. I know you guys recognize this iconic carpet, so you know what that means. I am back in Orlando to do my very first Run Disney run this weekend. I'm actually waiting for my friend to come pick me up now at the airport. Then we're gonna go to Walmart and then check into our resort. Yay! These ones are $3.44. I guess I'll just get these two. All the Run Disney people probably came and bought these up.
Perfect.
They're kind of cute. I kind of don't want to throw them away.
The plaid ones are like $5.94.
Well, I don't care because I'm going to have it on for like an hour and then you throw it off to the side in Disney.
Well, then just keep one and then throw the other one.
Well, I'm going to put one around my waist and then one over my shoulders.
That's smart. Yeah.
So, all right, now we need like snacks and I need some juice.
I do need to get that.
All right, this is everything I'm getting from Walmart. Some blankets, extra toothpaste, protein bars, bananas, apple juice, Olipop, and some quick, simple sugar to eat just a little bit before my run tomorrow. Yay! Before we go to the Run Disney Expo, here's just a super quick room tour. This is at All Star Sports. There's one bed. Here's a Murphy bed that we're gonna pull down. Beverage cooler, coffee machine, a thing for ice, some plugs, USB, USB-C. All right. Bathroom, where's the light? All right, they just gave us a little soap. No lotion.
Aw, they always
Because
do
we're,
lotion.
I think it's because we're in the budget resorts. Here's the shower. They have the sea salt, sea marine, and sea marine conditioner. Yep, there's that. Towels. Yeah, they gave us plenty of towels. We're about to hop on the bus to go to the expo so I can get my bib and see if there's any merch that I want to pick up. We are wondering where we get the bus at, but there's a separate pickup spot over here. Here's signs telling us where to go. There's a little sign here. Interesting. A lot of people. Well, it looks like you get a good drop-off spot if you from riding the bus versus driving. I see signs for the race shirt and race bib pickup. We finally found where we're picking up these race bibs here at the State Farm Fieldhouse. There's a little character meet and greet over there. There was some inside as well. We're going to get the race shirt and gear bag.
You said you're gonna get your shirt?
Ready before you pick up your race bib. Did you know that you can view unofficial live results?
Here's a view of all the booths. Oh, I see my Pandora booth down there. All this different Run Disney merch. They got the Corksicle. Oh, there's more photo ops over there. Moana.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah. I still have to pick up my race shirt, and then I definitely want the Pandora bead, and I will see what else. There's so much cute stuff here, but honestly, I do not have any room to buy anything else except for this Pandora bead that I was wanting.
Questions? Are we good so far?
They have this little sheet that they're letting us look at while we're in
So
line.
this is the pink one?
I'm probably gonna get this Mulan 5K one. No, what's the
Okay,
problem?
so you spend $220, you get the princess purse, and then if you buy 4 items from the Snow White collection, you get the poison apple. She glows in the dark as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Here's just random Disney stuff, marathon weekend stuff. There's a really cool Snow White photo op here. I just got my picture taken there. Now I'm about to go look at the official Run Disney merch. There it all is. Oh, there's a Pandora booth over there too. All right, let me go find some stuff to buy.
They're $80.
Here's the Spirit jersey.
Oh, I am not spending $80.
Here's all the 5K merch with Mulan. Here's the 10K merch with Princess Jasmine. Here's all the half marathon merch. Here's some ears that you can get. Here's a crew neck. I really like that. It's like a nice, like drapey type of fabric. That makes sense. They're $54.99.
They have the jasmine ears.
They did, but it had like a veil. Here's the Snow White merch. Here's just a general Run Disney Spirit jersey. More lug bags. And then these look like those. Oh, they do. I just saw the tag. It has UPF 50 in it. I have some like that from the cruises and from Castaway Cay. Here's the Lounge Fly. Here's a closer look at this one. There's the front. Here's a nice bag, some tank tops. I'm trying to find the annual pass holder section that I heard they had. Here's a little bag. A lug bag. Some performance shirts. Over here some more performance wear and the matching hats, pins, little jacket and pullovers. They have leggings, sweatpants, more zip pullovers, bracelets, a shoe ornament. Here's some more Princess Half Marathon Weekend merch, card magnets, tank tops, pins. Here's the pass holder stuff. I thought they had Spirit jerseys, but it looks like it's just a shirt. So I'm not really interested in that, but that's still cute. All right, we're getting back on the bus and we're going back to our resort. I'm gonna have my last meal before I get cut off. And then I'm gonna try and go to sleep. We are gonna grab a bite to eat. I'm eating later than I was planning on it, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna worry about it. It's almost 8 o'clock and I'm finally going to sleep. I have all my stuff for tomorrow packed here in this packing cube. And then over in the bathroom, I have my tutu hanging up. So I'll pick up on this vlog in the morning. All right, I'm on my way to get the bus. It's 3:50. I'm leaving a little bit later than I was aiming for, but I think I will still be okay. I'm color blocking in Snow White colors. I have extra my throwaway blankets. And again, in case I didn't make it clear earlier, people bring stuff like this and then they toss it off to the side and Disney will collect it, wash it, and donate it. I got 2 blankets here. I'm walking to the bus stop now. I just got dropped off. As soon as I stood up to get off the bus, I was like, I gotta use the bathroom again. Detouring to this bathroom, so that's one less porta potty visit I have to do, I guess you could say. There's the EPCOT sign and Starship Earth. About to head on up to my corral. Looks like we all go through like a metal detector up here. Look at all these people. So many people. There's some photo pass people in their little bubbles to stay warm. There's the finish line there. Continuing on. They have a lot of Powerades here. I assume this is for after the race. You can grab one. It's $4.29. There's a food and beverage tent here. I personally don't try and eat or drink directly before I run, but everybody's different.
This is, again, our fourth year, and such a pleasure. It's such an honor to be part of this weekend. Obviously, being an athlete myself, it's such a fun weekend for me as well. I'll be running today and tomorrow.
We're almost to the corrals. Here's the corral markers. I'm in E. It's the second to the last one.
Oh, yes.
All right, I'm officially in my corral. I'm gonna try and get as close to the front as possible. Obviously, I'm not gonna shove through or anything like that.
You do that thing where you're like this trip, but not to do it.
I swear I think it's getting colder than it was when I left the room, and it's super windy.
And you see by the pond's early light.
Corral. Well, I think the disabled people may have gone first. We're starting to move up, but they're releasing C right now. It's 5:14.
That is a deep down.
She's looking away. 2, 1.
Just hit mile 1. I haven't stopped to walk yet. Here's some spectators. Oh, it's a band. This is a line to see Mimi. I'm not going to be stopping in that. Probably almost halfway done, maybe slightly less than halfway done. I finally got warm enough to take off my gloves. I think I'm almost half through. We're in Mexico. Whew. Whew. Surely I'm about to hit mile 2. And we're at Mile 2 finally. Still haven't stopped for a walking break somehow. Coming up on Spaceship Earth again. I did take one bathroom break, but have pretty much continued jogging for the most part. I think I took maybe like 2, 3, 30-second walk breaks. I think I'm about to hit mile 3 soon. And we've left EPCOT back into this back area here. I think we're about to hit this finish line soon. I think we have like maybe 2/10 of a mile left. There's a chorus up here cheering us on. Excuse me. I'm gonna start going faster. We're almost. Oh, there's mile 3. About to get my medal.
Get your medals on the other side.
Thank you.
Good job, everyone.
Yay. Here's all the buses that take us back to our resorts. I'm at number 1, so way up front, to take us back to the All-Star Resorts. I got all my goodies here. I can barely hold it all. Just got on the bus. Here's all the stuff that they've given me. They do give you this blanket too when you, right after you cross the finish line, to stay warm. I'm back at the hotel. This is all the stuff that they give you after you cross the finish line. Water, Powerade, a banana. They give you this blanket. And then of course, the medal. And then this box. I'm gonna see what's in here. You get Skittles, cheese sauce. I love this cheese sauce. It's a guilty pleasure of mine. Some baked Tostitos for the cheese sauce. A pack of Mott's gummies. Some toast. I've been wanting to try one of these Honey Stinger energy waffles. And then a little moist towelette. I forgot to show this yesterday, but this is the free shirt that you get when you sign up. I got a men's large because I wanted it to be a little loose on me. And it's like a performance wear material, has Mulan and Disney Princess 5K 2025. Feels like a decent material. On the back has their sponsors there, so that's cute. I'm gonna finish this video here. We are doing 3 days in the parks. Today we're doing Magic Kingdom and we have brunch reservations at Crystal Palace. So I'm gonna continue vlogging, but I'm gonna do that in a separate video. So stay tuned for a part 2 of this Disney weekend. And as always, please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.